Hi everyone, today we are going to walk you through a safe and sterile procedure for removing an abscess and a cyst before the procedure. Make sure that the area is clean. Sterilization is the key to prevent any further infection. First, have a look at the articles which are needed for this procedure. We need cyst and abscess removal task trainer. These two are for abscess drainage, and these two are for cyst drainage, suture needle, suture silk thread roll, artery forceps, tissue holding forceps, sharp scissors with a surgical blade and a surgical handle. Now I will show you the procedure where we will be using a 24 number blade to make an incision over the abscess and can see that the abscess coming out. The abscess has been drained, and I can see the striations that abscess is traveling through the tissues into the spaces, and those striations has to be broken, and it has to be drained out. We can see the abscess coming out since we have drained the abscess. Now we will put the sutures and use the needle in circular motion. And remember to catch all the layers of the skin. Now you put a knot, put the needle holder on the knot, and you make one clockwise and anti-clockwise. Use the scissor. Cyst removal is different from the abscess drainage since there is a cystic lesion inside, and this cystic lesion is like an encapsulated ball, which has to be removed by releasing by underlying tissues. We will take an incision on the superficial skin, and it has to be bluntly dissected, and use tooth forceps or a plain forceps to hold the upper tissue, and then we use an artery forceps to release the underlying lesion, because it is always neat and clean to remove cystic lesion as a complete ball. Otherwise, it becomes too messy and very difficult to remove the lining. Now you can see the complete lining of the cyst has come out, and then again, it has to be sutured now. Remember, while these procedures can be done under sterile conditions, it's always better to consult with a medical professional to avoid complications. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe for more health-related content.